This is part 3 of if you are a furniture painter, refinisher, doing furniture makeovers for a hobby or a side hustle, and you want to make it like a legit business. So in the last 2 parts, I talked about, things that I would recommend getting set up sooner than later, things that you can do to track your expenses and things like that. Now I want to talk more about like the furniture painting piece specifically. My number 1 recommendation is just to set up systems early. So whatever that looks like for you, you know how you work most effectively, how you are most productive. For some people, they just want to do one piece at a time and just focus on that and just like plug through and have a one-track mind. I'm one of those people that has 6 or 7 things on the go at once. That's not effective. I can tell you that from experience for my type of personality. I'm queen of the 95% club, if you've heard of it. However, just find out what works best for you and set those systems in place early. Trial and error, when you maybe don't have so many projects that you're taking on at once. Determine, where's my limit? What's my capacity? What time of day am I most effective at working? Am I going to get up a little bit earlier to work on stuff? Like if you have a full-time job that you're trying to work around, or are you better like in the evening when you first get home? Is it after the kids go to bed? Like whatever your life looks like, whatever your other job looks like, whatever looks like, figure out what works best for you and try and be consistent with that for like a good amount of time. Like I would say a couple months at least, feel it out, see how it works for you, and then adapt and pivot as you need to. I've been so much more effective. I get up in the morning. I use that time while I'm drinking my coffee to do any admin things that I know I'm not going to have the energy to do later in the day that are related to the business. Any new receipts, mileage that I want to track, that kind of stuff. I'll do that. Reply to emails that I didn't feel like replying to the night before, customs, partnerships, things like that. If I have the time before work, I will do some stuff on the furniture pieces themselves. And then I know I can go into the day, I'm like feeling like I was accomplished, I was effective, productive already during the day. So once I'm going into my actual work day, I'm like already feeling like I've gotten a couple wins. And I just found that to be most effective for me. And I wasn't doing that for a long time. And I was just kind of willy-nilly doing things as I felt like it. Don't do things as you feel like it because you'll never feel like it. Also, streamline as many things as you can in your day. Whatever your processes look like, figure out what you can streamline and have like set up for success. So if that's having like a conveyor belt line of like prep, paint, top coat, like just set your spaces and stuff up in a way that's going to be helpful and not use up a lot of time. I'll link part 4 in the comments.